Hi guys! Kamusta mga kalayas? Weekend na naman. Andito tayo ngayon sa isang pet show sa Parkling sa Quezon City. First time naming a-attend dito nila Sparky and Cyril. Siyempre, kasama rin natin si Mami. At dahil nga pet lover tayo, i-enjoy na rin natin ang event nito. Napakadaming freebies, new friends ng ating mga alaga. Tara, samahan niyo kami sa video ito. Let's go!
Welcome to Barbie's Tea Party. Introducing Ruby Row and Virgil Anna as Barbie and Taffy. Ng itlog. Okay, may nginig ng itlog. Okay lang po doon niyo, sir. Lagay niyo alas sa kunin niyo at ipasa niyo ulit. Okay lang. When you fall, just get back up. Try. Ay! Wait! No!
Down na! Uy! Ang galing oh! Ang galing! Hi guys! Kamusta? Papunta tayo ng ngayon, ng Parklings. At para umattend ng event. Event nila Sparky. Mga ano ba tawag to? Dog show. What? Yan. Dito na tayo sa bandang Pasig. Yan. Parklings na. Parklings. Saan yung pet park? Adventure. Okay, salamat po.
Bridge daw.
Okay, dito tayo.
Sa kapitbahay. Bridge daw. Kaya dito. Ay, kaya ano. Ayan, sunod ka dito na doon sa likod. Abuti maaga tayo. Nakita na nila si Sparky! Tapos,
Dito na sila, Park and Cyril.
sa kailaan ako. Aga natin.
Okay nga, yun eh. Please.
Sipon.
So let's go! Parklings. Hindi naman tayo. Ayan na! Kasi Parklings. Saan doon tayo nakapark? Tapos yung pinakatulay. At eto nga, nakadating na kami sa event. Medyo napaaga ata. Pero di bale, mas okay na yun kesa sa latecomers. O nga pala, ang event na ito ay may advance online registration para iwas hassle. Nakabook na kami. Ito ay pre-registration. Lalagay namin ang link sa description ang lahat ng impormasyon tungkol dito.
Ay, ang ganda ng puso. Yung puso nyo, ano?
Maaga tayo ah.
Oo, wala pa. Nakita siya yung tiwaka na. Ay,
Yan. Ito, umaya pupunta tayo dyan. Yan yung event. Yan yung main event. Tapos nandun may mga ano doon. Ano ba tawag doon? Parang pinaka playgrounds mga dogs. Dito na kami!
happy! Ito, ano daw?
galing! Ang galing! Dito, up. Ang galing, oh. Yehey! Galing! Ang galing! Very good. Oh, huwag na talon, ha? Lang. Oh, friend yun, friend. Down na. Uy, ang galing, oh. Ang galing. Very good. Ang galing. Very good. Ay, naroon sa parking. Uhaw ka din. Uhaw. Halika na. Punta na tayo rito. Halika na. Very good na. Ayan, oh. Dami pala eh. Oh, daming friend, no? Oh, daming friend. Okay, friend. Kaya. Oy, friend sila, oh. Pero silang girl. Galing naman. Oh, friend kayo, friend. Terel. Oh, pares kayong girl. Mga ano yan? Ay, friend dyan.
Oh, no spike niya.
Tropa. Minsan na ka kasi mapait ka daw eh. Hello! Wala. Nadami na nila. Wow, galing ha.
Ano? Friend? O, kanina tinatahulan mo sila, di ba?
Sanay tinatahulan mo.
Ipasok mo kay Spark.
Ako. Lagi lang nangihingi.
Puro kay Spot, wala naman eh.
First, thank you so much for being here. Like all the Parklink events, yan sila Miss May, sila Miss Beth, shoutout po sa inyo, marati silang nandito. And of course, sa mga fresh faces natin, sino dito yung first timer? Hey! Si Miss Vanjie, nandito pa rin. Ang mga first timers, hey! Thank you so much for being here for the first time. And welcome to our potty weekend. This is actually, I think, third to the last week of our potty weekend. So may dalawa pa tayong mangyayari. That is happening October 5, tsaka October 21. So sana bumalik po kayo. Wala na po yung September 21 natin. Ang mangyayari, it will be merged sa October 5. Yes. Ang September 20, yes, the Mighty Giants. Guardian. Yung mga Rottweilers ata, yeah, the Huskies. So mga yes! Ay, naalala niyo yung Miss Mel. Yung mga Guardian. So, mga Rotties, mga German Shepherd. Oh, Waki! For the video! Again, 3, 2, 1, I love Parklink! Okay. Masyado na iba-vlog. So, yung spoon everything. Yung spoon sa dulo, right? And then, yung something, of course. And then, tatakbo ka, gano'n. And then, iikot kayo U-turn dito. Tapos, pagbalik nyo sa inyong team, Papasa niyo sa likod niyo. Scratch. Still, Team B is in the lead. Pero lang few seconds. Ay! Nalaglag ko.
Next mo na yan,
Okay lang yan. Okay lang. Pasal. Ay, hindi na pa. Ay, kayo. Boo-boo. Medyo nauna ulit si Team A. Passing on to the next one. Pero medyo naghahabol pa sa relay. Si Team B. Pero mukha namang mabilis ang lakad si Sir at with confidence may kasamang binig ng itlog. Okay, may sinig ng itlog. Okay lang, pulutin niyo, sir. Lagay niyo ulit sa spoon niyo at ipasa niyo ulit. Okay lang. When you fall, just get back up. Try. Ay, dito! Congratulations!
Ano sasabi mo? Talo.
And because of your effort, congratulations. Nakuha kayo prize from us. We're giving away consolation prizes for everybody who participated today.
Ang galing.
At dahil nga prohibited ang pagpapalipad ng drone dito, lumibot na lang kami ni Zyril para makita ang ganda ng lugar dito.
Sa mga keywords, mga binabasa niyo po sa book and online readings. Actually, get na yan. Isang keyword pa lang, may ikaw na lang yan. Grabe! Ang dog expert. Ang dog expert mo. At saka kung yun ang That's why. So, kaya mo sila nakikilala, not just by knowledge, but by experience. Congratulations naman natin si Ana. Actually, kahit yung
Si mami na magpapakitang gila.
Pag pinost niyo po, alam niyo nakakulodge lang. One post nakakulodge sa Facebook. Facebook lang. Hashtag all for pets and hashtag parklinks. Yan, para sobrang dali. Straight to the point. Hashtag all for pets and hashtag parklinks only on Facebook. Yan. Ang Weilers, Doberman, Shepherd. So yan yung sa September 21 dapat. So i-merge again on October 5, including Pit Bulls, Bull Mastiff, Samoyed, Great Danes, Belgian Malinois, and Greyhounds. Okay, that is October 5. Pero, again, it's open to all dog breeds. Regardless, we do have themed breeds per week, but everyone is still invited, no matter what breed. So, theme lang po siya to enjoy, just to see something different every potty weekend. And then, the last potty weekend will be happening on October 19. October 19, yes! Actually, hindi pa natin ma-miss yung isa't isa entirely because October 19, As Pinoy Barkada Fiesta. So if you have mga rescues or mga aspens, mga beloved aspens, definitely that will be the theme for October 19. At ang cute naman yan. Anong name niya? Birthday! Hala, nandito ka ba kasi birthday na? Ay! Nandito siya kasi birthday pala ng birthday ng ibang doggos. Birthday! Oh, ay! Na-stress siya. Okay na. Sige, dito na ako. Sorry. Yung impersonal space daw niya. Introducing our donut ball. So mga treats po siya for your pets. Pwede po kayong kumuha dito for free.
Oh, dalawa. Ano natin? Patay na. Donut ball, dalawa. Donut ball.
Let's support local. Let's go! Salamat po sa sponsors. Okay, sino po dito sa akin? Si Birthday! Tapos, si Sir kanina. Kayo, you wanna join? And then, ayan, yes, madam, go! We have new yan! Mga new contenders enter the ring. Yes. Simon says, stop barking. Stop barking na. Gusto nila mag-make friends. Ay, gusto kasi nila mag-play, I think. The first command think let's start with here. Okay, sir, hanggang kila Miss Monique or Anna, are you joining? Ay, sige, hanggang kila Monique. Okay. So, first command is sit. Oh, say birthday, go! Let's see.
Sit down, Brock. Sit down. Sit down, baby.
Sabi niya, is it ano? Ay, hindi. He was also here before, right? Okay, naalala ko. Si Luca. Hello po. Welcome back pala. So, yun lang. Eliminated na po si Luca. Naku, si Sanji. Wala. Sanji, the search and rescue dog.
Stay.
Bye.
Oh, wow! Hindi na siya. Hindi na siya umalis. Even with distractions, hindi siya umalis. Ayun na, nakahanap siya ng boyfriend. Boyfriend! Ay, girlfriend! Ay, girl pala to. Congratulations, Pasok! Palakpakan naman natin! Okay, Sir Byron, lead the way! Lead the charge. Maganda! Okay, Sanji, it's your turn. It's your time to shine. The command is high five. Oh! Ang dali, parang basic masyado sa kanya, no? Okay. Stay, akala niya stay daw. Hindi belly rub. Those commands, basta iabot yung paw or umappear. Okay, let's go. Ay, may showmanship. May showmanship. Ala siya nagpakitang gilas. What's her name? Peanut. And what's the her parents' name? Jewel. Jewel and Peanut. Actually, we are announcing now the winners. Actually, may runner-up and winner tayo. Clearly, ang ating runner-up is Sanji! Our boy Sanji, your search and rescue dog. Thank you for your service. Mamaya, we'll be announcing the winner. But for the meantime, congratulations to our second raffle draw winner. I think this is the third one. Sa lahat po ng pet owner, may brownies po kami para sa inyo. And mini cupcake for your dog baby. Tapos mga newbies, mga new faces, mga first-timers. Kanina. Okay, there you go. Hello po. Thank you po for being here. So dahil dyan, we've got brownies for everyone! And cupcake for your fur babies. Enjoy! We'll be taking a short break and we'll see you back again in a jiffy.
Para po sa mga puppy. Dali na lang. Sige po, kuha po. Sige, cupcake po. Nagdalawa kayo, anak.
May sarap naman yan.
Parang kalabasa, no? Bawal to.
Okay, so can you tell us more about the Wood Lottery and what do you have to offer? I'm sorry! Surprise! May surprise interview session din dito si Madam.
And Coco. So, X-Comic Club is actually,
Ang laki ng event ha. Ang ganda nito. Nandun yung nagsasalita.
so all of our drinks are actually famous.
Ang pipiliin nating winner, ang prize ay Studio Olives Loot Bag. Ayan si Studio Olives na kausap natin kanina, si Coffee Bar. Meron tayong Close Friends Photo Booth vouchers. Ooh! At Bobaco Pet Perfume. Alright! Paunahan ang tamang sagot. Tama, hindi maligsagat, hindi siya counted. Sisigaw kayo ng Parklings! We thank you meron consolation prizes din. Salamat po Parklings at sa ating sponsor for this one. Parking namin ng konting-konti lang. Itong item na to, mahanap nyo sa team. Bring nyo to. Kailangan dalhin nyo yung tamang item. I-describe ko muna siya. Kailangan in-team siya. Dito po nilalagay yung T. Complete sexy mo daw.
Hala, friend daw kayo, friend.
Groups, we have Philippine Pet Birth Control Center Foundation and Vet Hospital, PPVCC. Also, thank you to Cara Welfare Philippines, Cara, Compassion and Respect for Animals. And thank you also to the sponsors of our loot bags, raffle giveaways, and prizes, Pet Options, Easy Dog PH, Hyde Park Pet Station, Top Breed, Pet Lover Center, Grab Pet, Posh Pets, Avli BioCare, Dogs and More PH, Bobomo PH, ABC Club, Gourmet Chicks, Studio Olives, Close Friends Photo Booth, St. Roche, Chef Special Baby Boo Entree, Zert and Coffee Club. Oh, that's so cute! Okay, let's give it up, everybody! Sir John and Pino! Oh, wow! With the brightest smile, Rancho.
Every day words seem to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me.
Roxy is an adopted stray dog from Strays Worth Living Animal Shelter Group. She was rescued from Batangas. She was severely maimed. She has a lot of sickness, and then when we rescued her, she turned into this beautiful fur baby, and she's now the endorser of Baby Boo products. You can see her photos in billboards and in Shopee and Lazada.
Entry, this will be the last entry for our talent show for tonight. Welcome to Barbie's Tea Party. Introducing Ruby Roll and Vermont Anna as Barbie and Taffy. The Barbie My First Tea Party was released in 1995. Mommy Anna and Rancho! Oh, it's gonna be a tough one. Give it up for Anna and Ruby! Tsaka, nakita ko talaga na umeffort yung mga tao today. And para lang ma-divide yung spoils of war, no? Yung treasure hunt winner natin actually goes to Miss Anna Ranjesena. Surprise! For waiting until the end of the line, until the end of the program. A reminder lang po, this is the third to the last potty weekend, so don't miss out sa last two potty weekends natin. We have October 5, which is Spooky Halloween Potty. Huskies, Malamutes, Rottweilers, Doberman Shepherds, Bull, Pitbull, Bull Mastiff, Samoyed, Great Danes, Belgian Malinois, and Greyhound. So if your pet falls under that category or dog breed, punta po kayo. If not, punta pa rin kayo because it is open for everyone. And again, October 19, ang last potty weekend natin as Pinoy Barkada Fiesta. So, welcome naman natin ang mga beloved Aspins natin. So wala na pong September 21, it will be merged on October 5 for the Halloween party. And of course, we would like to thank all of our sponsors! Philippine Pet Birth Control Center Foundation, Cara Welfare Philippines, Pet Options, Easy Dog PH, Hyde Park Pet Station, Top Breed, Pet Lover Center, Grab Pet, Posh Pets, Avli BioCare, Dogs and More PH, Bobomo PH, ABC Club, Gourmet Chicks, Studio Olives, Close Friends Photo Booth, St. Roche, Chef Special Baby Boo Entree, Zert, X Coffee Club, and of course, Pooch Planet. And for our F&B pet or F&B merchants, thank you so much X Coffee Club, Delights by Mrs. F, Main's Kitchen, Studio Olives, and Gourmet Chicks. And once again, guys, if your fur baby is having their birthdays, pwede po kayo magpa-birthday dito po sa Parklinks. Kontakin niyo lang po kami. Or Parklinks, you can also do it outside the park if you want. So once again, I'm your host. My name is Ani Esmaria. And goodbye, good night, everybody. Stay safe.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Ito na nga ang huling bahagi ng video ito. Kita Kids, mga kalayas, please like and subscribe. Kung hindi ka pa po subscriber, maraming salamat. Hanggang sa susunod na travel adventure. Travel na, adventure pa! Isa pa, isang loot. Yan, wow. Thank you. Isang set ulit. Thank you muna kay Parklinks. Ayan lang. Parklinks. So, yun, may ganyan. Inuman. May hook na ganyan. Then, yan tayong pet conditioner. Pet shampoo. Tapos, ano to isa? Pabango. Baby powder. Essence helps. Yan. Then, meron nga ito, yung dental chew.
Minsan na din bang napuntahan namin ang inyong lugar, probinsya o ang inyong bayan? Kung hindi pa, samahan nyo kami na tuklasin ang magagandang lugar na sariling atin, dulo pa yan o sulok ng Pilipinas, ating bisitahin. Madami-dami na din kaming napuntahang mga pasyalan at sigurado kaming hindi mauubos, at lalo pang nadaragdagan ang mga tourist spot, attraction, campsites, at mga historical places. Halina, mag-relax, at samahan nyo kami at panuurin ang panibagong episode ngayong week na ito. Kami nga pala ang Team Lea Cero, ang mahilig maglayas at mag-adventure.